starting a research paper, you may be overwhelmed and unsure where to begin your research process, or maybe you just need a little help finding the right resources. The library's research guides, also known as LibGuides, can help point you in the right direction. To access our research guides, visit libguides.muw.edu, or if you're starting from the library's homepage, go to the Research tab. In the drop-down menu, click Research Guides. There you can view a list of our guides. Using the buttons in the gray bar, you can sort the guides by subject, type, or owner. This allows you to limit the kinds of guides you will view. Say you're writing a paper for a nursing class and you're not sure where to start. Check out one of our guides for nursing. Our LibGuide will suggest databases that will be your best bet for scholarly articles. There are also links to find books, ebooks, and websites on your topic. You will also find citation resources. Sometimes there are tabs specific to your subject or course, in this case, gray literature and evidence-based practice tabs. Click through the tabs on the side of the guide to discover resources that might interest you. With LibGuides, you have quality research and information at your fingertips, even when you're off campus or the library is closed. If you need help finding a LibGuide to meet your needs, please reach out to the library.